In this tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer a GitHub repository into an organization. This is useful when you want to move a personal project into a team or company workspace. First, open your web browser and go to github.com, then sign in to the account that owns the repository. From your dashboard, open the repository you want to transfer. Once you're inside the repository, click Settings from the top menu. Now, scroll down to the Danger Zone section. Find Transfer Ownership and click Transfer. In the transfer options, select the organization you want to move the repository to. Next, enter the repository name in the confirmation field. Review the transfer details, then click I understand, transfer this repository. GitHub may ask you to complete an additional security verification. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the transfer. Once the verification is complete, GitHub will transfer the repository to your organization. That's how to transfer a repository into an organization in GitHub. Thanks for watching.